In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV data into Power BI Desktop. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, to begin your data import journey, you need to open Power BI Desktop on your computer. So go ahead and launch the application, and let's get started. Once you have Power BI open, you'll be greeted by the main interface, where you'll notice a ribbon at the top of the screen. Look for the Home tab. That's where most of the action happens. Click on the Get Data button that you'll see there. This is your gateway to bringing in different types of data into Power BI. Now, a drop-down menu will appear after you click Get Data. You want to look for the option that says Text CSV. This selection is vital because a CSV file is essentially a text file structured in a specific way that Power BI can easily interpret. After you select Text CSV, the next step is to locate your file. A file browser dialog will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your computer's directories. Find the CSV file that you wish to import. Once you've located it, click on it to select it, and then hit the Open button. Now you'll see a new window pop up that displays a preview of your CSV data. This is a crucial step, as you'll want to make sure everything looks correct. Inspect the columns and rows displayed in the preview window. If they look good and you're ready to bring this data into Power BI, just click the Load button. This action will initiate the process of importing your selected CSV data into Power BI Desktop. Give it a moment as Power BI processes the import. Once loading is complete, you'll find your data appears in the Data pane located on the right side of the screen. This is where all your imported datasets will reside, ready for you to manipulate and use in your reports and dashboards. And there you have it. You've successfully imported CSV data into Power BI Desktop. You can now start visualizing your data, creating reports, and uncovering insights that can drive your decisions. Remember, Power BI offers a host of features for data analysis and visualization, so don't hesitate to explore. If you ever run into any issues or have questions, feel free to drop a comment below this video. I'd love to help you out further. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found this tutorial useful. Your support means a lot, and it encourages me to create